In this video, we showcase our professional retouching process. Every stunning jewelry image begins with a raw photograph. First, we carefully inspect the image and remove dust, scratches, fingerprints, and other imperfections while preserving every fine detail of the ring. Next, we enhance the gold color by adjusting brightness, contrast, and tones to achieve a rich, luxurious appearance. The edges are cleaned and sharpened to create a crisp, professional look, while shadows are balanced to add depth and realism. We then refine highlights and reflections, giving the jewelry a natural sparkle and polished finish that captures attention. Finally, we perform a detailed quality check to ensure every image meets the highest standards before delivering it to our clients. That transforms ordinary product images into premium, market-ready visuals.